Hey guys, I absolutely love gardening and flowers. I found something on Amazon that is absolutely worth mentioning. Let me show you. Check out these flower pouches right over here and the hooks with them. These are strawberries we have growing, strawberries, and then flowers like this are even growing from the pouches, and more strawberries. Oh, let me grab one. And it actually works. These pouches are strong enough to hold the soil and the flowers. Don't you just love that? How beautiful it is? And these hooks are very practical. If you want something hanging from your porch like this, that's not really bulky, check out these. I really didn't know how beautiful it can be to have these hanging flower pouches. Plus they blend in very well and you almost practically don't see them. You just see the flowers. They're nice and heavy duty and hold everything together so well. This is some good material right here, heavy duty. But yeah, don't you just love it? It's like a flower oasis here. And these pouches make it possible for this. Definitely recommend. Check out the flower pouches. Glad I found them on Amazon. Highly recommend.